welcome back to WS Cube Tech. So guys, in our previous session, we learned what is full join and self-outer join. In our today's session, we will be talking about what is between operator in our MySQL. So guys, we have heard about in or not. What is between now? So between in MySQL allows us to give a range that if you want to view a data. Suppose if you have heaps of data and in that data you want to view a data between a certain range. In that case, between operator is used. So between operator allows us to view a data which is given in a certain range. For example, let's say if I have this data over here where we have name, class, email, phone number and the roll number. What if I want the details of all the students whose name lie between 2 to 6? So in that case, what we will be doing, we will be giving our between operator over here. Let's understand with the help of the example that how between operator works. So for between operator, I have already created a file in which I have imported my SQL. I have made the connection over here, started the cursor. Then I have executed the get data where we will be writing our query for between. Then data.cursor.fetch. All that means we have to fetch and display this data in our Python. That's why we will be fetching this data and we will be putting it in our Python. And then we have to print it with the help of a for loop because in a group it won't look nice. So with the for loop it will come in a different lines and I'll be using for loop for that. Now let's write the query over here, that what query we are going to write to get the data. To get the data, all you need to do is write select star from student details. Now what this thing will do, if I run this over here right now, like if I run this code over here right now, what this will do, it will give me all the data over here. That means 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. What if I want the data between 4 to 6 or 2 to 6? In that case, what I will do, I will provide with the roll number over here. I will give a range basically over here that I will write here. So I will be writing here that from where we have to get this data. So we will be writing our where clause where our roll number is between 2 and 6. So what this thing will do, it will select everything from the student. Then it will go for looking for where roll number is between 2 and 6. So we have provided with 2 and 6 over here. So it will be searching between 2 and 6. And as soon as we run it over here now, you will see that we got the data of 4, 5 and 6 roll number. Why we are getting? Because it is in between the range of 2 to 6. That's why we are getting the data of 4, 5 and 6. Similarly, if you want to change the range to anything, suppose you want to give it to 4 to 8, then you can provide with 4 to 8 as well. And now if I run it over here, you will now see that we have got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the 5 data are there. So just in this way, you can provide a range over here and call that what data you want between what numbers you want. Not just roll number, but if you have anything like student ID or anything that has numbers or something like that, then in that case, or something that has a starting and the ending value, then yes, we can use that. So I hope guys what between operator is clear to you. In our next session, we will be talking about minimum and maximum functions. So stay connected guys and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.